Hello guys, this is Rom Tips. Today I show you how to buy a eSIM that will work in Germany, and the link and coupon will be in the description. And open description and click on link eSIM and open this site voyafly.com and click on this and write Germany and click on this and open this page. Scroll down and choose data type, unlimited or fixed data. I recommend unlimited and click on this. Choose a speed plane, light, plus or premium. I'm select premium and select your days. I'm select 30 days and click on buy it now. And click on this discount code and write ROAM tips, this discount code in the description, and click on apply. Alright, this order tips, that's very good. And click on Google Pay and buy a SIM, or write email, payment and billing address and buy, and click on buy now and buy a SIM. And that's all. Subscribe and give me a like if this video helps you, because your feedback helps me. Bye bye.